Hi, Toby. It's nice to see you today. How you doing?
Nice to see you too. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Thanks for asking. So tell me, how can I help you today?
I want to get a new job in my interview, but I have too much stress and I feel like I won't do
All right. Sounds like you really want to get a job.
well. Yeah, I do, but I just don't want to keep getting disappointed.
I know. What are your beliefs?
Sometimes I feel like I'm not good enough, or I feel like I failed the first interview, or I feel like I don't have a lot of money to begin with.
Oh, wow. Can you list all the things you're doing well?
Um, well, I had a job 6 months ago. I never failed an interview before.
Mm,
Um,
mm.
I like to think I used to be pretty good with money management.
Oh, okay. Would you consider yourself successful?
Most of the time, yes. Yeah.
What is the evidence for this? Can you tell me the evidence for this?
Mm, I guess passing all my interviews in the past, my success in school, and um, I guess having my job before.
Okay. How does this success fit into the ABCs that we already discussed initially?
Well, I guess in contrast, I'm pretty consistent enough,
Oh, you mean you're competent enough?
competent enough, not consistent.
Oh, all right, yes. And with all these evidences that there's such as, you having a job in the past, being successful in school, do you feel all this evidence tie into you being competent?
Yeah, I would think so, actually.
I want you to say to yourself, all I want you to say it to dispute all the negative beliefs that you have already have in your mind.
I am competent, I am good enough.
This is a positive statement. What type of decisions will go with this?
I should apply for that new job. I think that would be a good decision.
Oh, great. That is good. You have made a very good decision.
Yeah, I think so too. I feel like I should apply to that new job, and I feel like no matter what, even though it's not 100% guarantee I'll get it, that I should have the strength and the courage to go apply because I'm good enough.
Oh, yes, you can do it.
Yeah, I think so too. Thank
Mhm. All right. So, what I want you to do is to say your positive statement to get your confidence up by saying your positive statement in the mirror in the morning, preferably. But if you can't do it in the morning, that's okay. At least do it, each day until the next time we see.